Welcome, today we're going to show you how to see your FPL Fantasy Premier League ID. So it's actually very easy. So the first thing that you need to actually do is to open Safari browser as see from here. After that, now you need to actually open Premier League on the website because you can't actually get the ID from the app or anywhere else. So you need to open it on the website. So after that you need to log in and you need to click on the menu on the top left corner. After you do that, now you need to actually click on Fantasy, as see from here. So this menu will appear and you need to click on Fantasy. So the next thing that you need to actually do is to click on Pick Team. And after that, you need to actually scroll all the way down till you find Transfers as see from here. And you need to click on Transfer History. So after you do that, now you can actually just click on the URL as see from here to get your team ID, and now you will see the team ID from here as see on the URL. So now you can actually just copy the team ID and do whatever you want with this team ID. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.